Hi everyone, my name is Chanel Smalls. I am doing my concentration field placement in a hospital outpatient clinic, um, and the specialty is gynecology. So my interaction will be with mainly women who have a diagnosis of gynecological cancer. I hope that because I'm so glad to have a opportunity to be able to work in a outpatient setting, and I hope this educational experience that I will come out with knowledge of how social work is demonstrating with in a hospital setting, in a clinic setting with patients. I also the difference between my first field placement was in a school setting and at an alternative high school with teens 18 to 21 in a pregnant and parenting program. And the difference between the programs, I feel that what I'm finding is with the patients, the cancer patients, um, because social work is is set in place to give the emotional and social support that some patients don't have. There are a lot of referrals that come through from doctors, nurse practitioners, and nurses, and that the patients are more receptive. Whereas in the school setting, the teens, they, it, I don't, I feel like there's more resources for cancer patients. There were resources, but not enough, and the issues that the teens did have were beyond my limitations of how far I could help or what resources I had available. Whereas um, the cancer patients there are so many resources and grants and other things to help them, like pay bills, housing issues, and food and other things like that. So I feel like this is a great opportunity, and I think I'm going to really enjoy it. So far, so good the first week. And I wish everybody else the best of luck in their field placements, and I look forward to working with you guys. Thank you.